Happy Tuesday. This is the Mondayest Tuesday ever. It is the Tuesday after bank holiday and I'm doing that typical thing where I'm going to get my life back on track. Such a nice weekend. We've done all sorts. We've drank and ate and just had a wonderful time. But now it is the time to... that's probably not a good idea actually. Now is the time to get our act together. So I've done a big food shop this morning. Stefan actually came with me, which was lovely because he's off work today. I took today off from any form of work, to be honest. The Airbnbs were done yesterday. I normally work in the salon on a Tuesday, but I just feel like I've not really been at home properly for the last few weeks, and so things start to slip, routine starts to slip, and yeah, I just want to get back in control of everything. So I've got a good few days off, which I just love. I'm doing some meal prepping, we're going to have some dinner. I'll show you what I've got from the supermarket as well and what we're going to have for our dinners this week. Before I left this morning, I emptied the fridge of anything that was out of date. We went to Stefan's Auntie Kat's on Sunday for a lovely Sunday dinner. Am I even on? Have I hit record? Yeah. And then we went to my mum's yesterday and she did us an Easter Monday dinner, which was gorgeous. So yeah, so it's been nice to have a little bit of a break from normality, but we are back on it. This week is about getting organised, creating some new routines. Right, I'll just give you a quick rundown of everything I've bought this week. So I bought 2 packs of mints because I'm going to do some meal preps with one of them, and then I'm going to do a cottage pie with another for dinner one night. I've bought a big pack of chicken. I was buying it from Meat Mart, but I don't know whether it's as cost effective or not, but I don't need 30 chicken breasts right at this moment in time, and I also haven't got anywhere to put them. So I just got a big pack from Aldi and another pack with 2 in. So I'm going to cook them in a second. So that'll be them prepped. Veg wise, we've got a couple of broccolis already in, so I didn't get any of them, but I got some tomatoes, a cucumber and some red onion. I got 2 boxes of eggs, but I've already got 1 box in the pan already because I'm just going to boil them. They'll stay in the fridge. I cook them, peel them, and then put them in a glass like Tupperware, and then they stay in the fridge for like 5 days. Some ham just for Ronnie's like little sandwiches and stuff. Salmon, which we'll have for dinner one night. Got 2 steaks. These are for the kids, so burgers one night, sausage and mash another night, and I've got mashed potato because I've not got time to be boiling and peeling and mashing potatoes. Got some blueberries because we've got loads of strawberries already in. Stefan absolutely loves these protein rice pots. I don't really tend to eat them, but they're always handy to have in. Cheese, we've got some mozzarella balls, baby bells, which we buy every week. Ronnie absolutely loves them, so does Stefan. Cheese strings, bag of grated cheese, and then again, just for like sandwiches and stuff like that, some cooked chicken breast. I've got some Greek yogurt and some olives. More like cupboardy stuff, some oat milk, which we use in our protein shakes, some orange juice. Some of these little veggie straws just for Ronnie with his dinner. Got some jalapenos, honey, and then Stefan picked these chili jams up for us to try. Some chopped tomatoes and some tomato puree for if I do bolognese. They're always handy to have in. Peanut butter. And then I got these different types of mayonnaise just to try. Garlic and herb, and then chili charger mayo. These wraps, I love these little wraps for Ronnie. They're just very, very handy, and he loves a wrap with ham or chicken on. Some pasta, because we go through that like no tomorrow. And then some, well, I thought it was linguine, but I think it's just the same. And just some packs of microwave rice, which are very, very handy for our meal preps. Oh, and I got this as well, which I'm absolutely loving, sourdough at the minute. I've just been getting the Jason's one from Tesco, but Aldi have got this protein sourdough toasting loaf. So we're going to have some of that now with some eggs. These sweet chilli crackers are nice as well. Summer loves these, so I've got 2 packs of them. But yeah, so that is the full food chart. Mozzarella, olives. I actually feel like it's a crime to have like egg on toast without a cup of tea. Ow. Just pick that up. Ronnie's at nursery today, by the way. Yum. Testing. Cheers, my love. Girls, I absolutely cannot believe this weather, and I'm normally at work when it's like this, and I'm normally the one with FOMO. I'm over the moon. I've booked today off. Just had our little lunch and I had a cup of tea, and now I'm going to enjoy a little bit of a Copperberg in the sun. I actually was going to focus on cleaning and tidying the house today, but as of yet that has not been done. It feels like we're on our holidays. I'm just getting my pasty legs a little bit browner. I was going to do my fake tan last night, but I couldn't be bothered. So this is what we're dealing with. I've come inside for a little bit now to do some meal prepping, and 4:20, the day has flown by. Yeah, I always struggle with sweet potato because whenever I cook it, I just can't cook it right for some reason. Air fryer is ready. I'm also prepping some chicken. I normally do this in the oven and it's never failed me yet, but for some reason I'm just going to try something a little bit different. I'm always trying to find new ways to make my job a little bit easier. Or I'm still cooking it at 180. So the trick is when I do my meal prep chicken, I usually cook it at a low temperature for a longer period of time, and that way the chicken stays moist rather than going dead dry. And I usually wrap it in foil in the oven as well. I'm going to do it for 15 minutes and then see where we're at. Alexa, stop. Does it take anyone else 5 hours to get out the house? Because I actually don't remember in what mindset I used to leave the house before Ronnie, because for some reason it's like I give myself 10 jobs just to leave the house. I'm bleaching my bins now, and I should have left about 20 minutes ago, but then the bins needed emptying. Well, there was all recycling behind the front door, and I thought I can't keep walking past that, so I thought I'll get rid of that. Then I've emptied the bins what the recycling's in, and there's stuff in the bottom of them what I'm just not even going to talk about. So I thought, well, they need bleaching. Ronnie's still not dressed yet. I mean, I'm not stressed. We're going to have a lovely day. We don't have to be anywhere by a specific time, but we're going out with our friends to Eaton Park today. So I'm really very much looking forward to that. But girls, my evenings are still ruining my mornings. I'm just not making any improvements at the minute. But as I mentioned yesterday, I took a little bit of time off work just to recoup, you know, a good routine going. I don't know, this weather helps, so I've picked a great time to be off work. I'm gonna packed our bag. Of course, we've got some diggers, bought some snacks, some dinner, some sun cream. Gorge. So I just need to get Ronnie dressed. I am dressed, of course, but I did only get dressed about 20 minutes ago. Yeah, very much looking forward to today. It's going to be a bloody gorgeous day, and I'm just here for this weather. I love it. Come on then, let's go find Vinny.
Wow.
My planet, look at an animal. It's an animal.